Hi guys, how to add memory to your ChatGPT profile. Memory is an important function of ChatGPT. Custom instructions are static, but memory is dynamic. In 2026, ChatGPT builds a persistent profile of your cross conversation. It remembers things you are told it and uses them weeks later automatically. For students, this means ChatGPT can remember your exam schedule and preparation goals, topics you find difficult, your preferred explanation style, projects and assignments you are working on. You can also add memories manually. How to add memories manually? Simply launch ChatGPT and here type remember that I am preparing for CAT 2026 and I struggle with Indian economy and simply press enter and you can see updated memory. Got it? I will keep explanation about the Indian economy simple, exam focused and connected to CAT 2026 preparation with practical examples. So you have successfully. Now we will see how to manage your memories. To manage your memories in ChatGPT, go to your profile icon from the top left corner and here choose personalization. Click on it. Here scroll down and go to the memory section. Memory, you will find the option manage memory. Also, reference saved memories, turn the toggle button on. Reference chat history, turn the toggle button on. And you can also manage memory. Click on manage and you can see your memories will available here which you added recently. If you want to delete it or remove memories, then simply click on three horizontal dot and choose delete. Choose delete again. Memory deleted. If you want to add them, apply same process and ChatGPT will stores the memory and applies it to every future conversation without you repeating yourself. This simple features transforms ChatGPT from a generic tool into something that actually understands your academic context. That's all.